Oh, party people. Oh, I still have my hat on. We're going with our hat today because it's cold in here. Basement. We are here back with Soft Flex. We are going to be working on just a little pair of earrings I had in my head. But get your hammers out because I'm probably going to need them. So let's jump down to the mat and get this party started with our Art Deco doings. Alrighty, party people, here we are down on the mat. So I have an idea in my head for these little earrings right here. They're earrings, obviously. Where's the other one? Here it is. And we might need a few little beads, but I don't know which ones we might need. I mean, these could be cute, I guess. These ones could also be cute. Let's go with these. I think these will be good. Oh, we could even go with some pearls to match our... Well, I guess we did the bracelet in silver, so maybe not. And we've got some earring wires. We will do those in gold. Those were also provided to us in this little kit. Alright, so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Here we go. This is what we're going to do today. We're going to get out the bench block. And we're going to use these little guys. So the idea here is that we are going to create just a little drop for us to use here. So I'm going to be using this guy. So if you guys are always wondering why my mat's always sliding around and stuff, it's because I have this guy on my table for this purpose. Okay. So this is like basically a shock absorber. It's a fire, it's also for fire when I'm doing fire painting stuff. It protects the desk, but it also is fireproof. I got it at Taylor's Falls Bead Store a long time ago. It's just like a little square. So what we're going to try to do here is I'm going to use some of this 14 gauge vintage bronze wire. Let me see if I got any gold that I want to use. No, I don't think I do. No, I don't. I don't have the color that I wanted to use in this large of a gauge. 14 gauge is the largest gauge that I have, and I want to see if this will fit on there, which, you know, to be honest with you, I don't know if it's gonna. No, it's not gonna. But, okay, so I'm gonna just cut a couple of pieces here. In case you were wondering, Thunderhorse Descendant is a working studio. We got stuff happening. I don't know what's happening up there. Maybe it's the pizza man. Anyway, I'm going to take these and I'm going to hammer them. Please put on your mute button. Okay. I give these a little filing. just so the corners are not sharp. And then I'm going to give them one more hit with this guy. Cool. So here we are. Now the plan is to put these beads onto these on here. However, that's not going to work because the holes aren't big enough. So instead, we're just going to grab up some different beads because it looks like we've got all kinds of options in here. Maybe one of these will fit. No. How about one of these metal guys? Not quite. This one I know will fit, but it might be too big. There we go. That guy fits. However, he is silver. That was not my plan. So look how cute. It's pretty cute. You might be able to get away with one of these. I think we could if we capped him. In order to do that, I gotta punch a hole in my cap. Or stretch it out at least. Winter must be getting in trouble up there. Okay, so I'm just stretching this out to see if I can get it to fit on top of here. And it does. Perfect. Alright. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm going to do the same to this one. I'm just using this dowel to just stretch this a little bit. Perfect. And using one of these large hole beads, and then these are one of those filigree that stretch onto the bead. Pretty good out of 10. This one is a little bit longer, but that's fine. We can fix that in the end. Alright. Let's get ourselves together here. Okay. So now that we have that going on, what I want to do is I want to be able to attach those onto here, onto these little findings. So, what I want to do is I want to trim this so that I can create a simple loop. So, maybe about like so. Okay, I'm also going to use a jump ring to attach this on because this is a pretty small hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple loop. So to do that, we are just going to grab a hold pretty close where there's no wire sticking out the other side when we touch it. And we're going to roll this away from us. Let's see. Let me move this stuff out of the way so it can focus. There we go. So we're going to roll this away from us. Okay. We're going to keep going until it touches the wire. You see, now you have a sad lollipop, you see? Sad. Yeah. So then what you do is once you got your sad lollipop, you're then going to take your chain nose, you're going to come in here inside the loop, and you are going to pull this up and push this the other way all in one go. So like so, to get your sad lollipop to stand up. See? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now we just want to fix our loop so that we are sure that it is staying closed. And now we have us a little drop. We shall do the other side again. So I'm just pushing the bead down and measuring about here above my finger. So like a whole, basically a whole finger's length before I cut. Try not to cut my finger off. It's always a good start. And we're going to put this into here. And go back a little bit where I was on the other one. There we go. And we're going to roll away from us. We're going to keep going until it touches sad lollipop. Take our chain nose, go inside the loop, inside, push and pull at the same time to stand up the sad lollipop. Boop. There we go. And fix the loop up so that it's still touching when we attach it to something. And there we go. Now we need some earring wires, and we need our little findings because they have these little tiny holes, you see. So we are going to use some jump rings. Let's use gold, I think. See what we got for that. Now I would prefer to use an oval, but if we cannot use an oval, we'll have to reassess. I'm not even seeing an oval at this point. No. There's one. I don't know if this little guy's gonna fit in there. He might be might be a little bit thick. He probably had too many pieces of pizza as well. Oh, he fits. He fits, he fits. Perfect. Oh, now we could spin this. I want to spin this so that it's sitting in there the right way. So I'm going to do that by grabbing a hold here and grabbing a hold over here. Just giving it a spin. You can usually get about a half spin out of anything. So there we go. I'll connect to this one as well. Same situation over here. Lovely. Now, just go in here. Earring wire. Pull that up. Close that up. And there we go. It's a smashy smash. Easy peasy. I quite enjoy those. There you go. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, don't forget to like, subscribe, make a comment on the channel. Don't forget to head over to Soft Flex and give them a look-see, see what kind of design kits they have this month. This one was from the Art Deco, Deco the Halls Design Challenge Kit. However, I am a little bit behind, so we've made a couple of videos with it, But these are super easy and cute. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.